This is Sam, an entrepreneur. He worked hard for the last 3 years and established his business. To meet his clients, or reach to the airport on time, he always needs to depend on cab service. So last year, when he was looking for a reliable cab service, he got to know about Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service. After visiting their website https://bigtexascabs.com/ he was amazed. Sam got to see that they maintain each cab frequently and take affordable charges for high-standard cab ride. The drivers are also dedicated, well-versed, and disciplined. Besides, they have an online application cab service to DFW Airport to book cabs for 24/7. As Sam often required to reach airports, he took their value-added services and booked his cabs wherever he needed it. The service of Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service is so good, that till now, Sam is continuing to book his cabs from them. Besides, they always pick customers on time and offer a smooth cab ride at a pocket-friendly budget. Do you also want to get such a comfortable and affordable cab ride? Then contact Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service at 817-881-6863 or visit their website https://bigtexascabs.com/. You can also book your cab by using their online application as mentioned earlier.